Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I am going to guide you through how you can turn on Vanish mode on Instagram.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, log into your account. After that, tap on the chat option. Now, open a conversation in which you want to enable the Vanish mode. Tap on the username of the person. Now, toggle on the button beside the Vanish mode. Now, all the seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. And that's it guys, this is how you enable Vanish mode on Instagram.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we'll love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.